DonutPower22 here today, and today I will be showing you how to import vector fonts from something else. It's not really importing, it's just utilizing some fonts that have already been imported. So I noticed that a lot of you may be younger, or you may not be allowed to use your parents' Google Drive, or you're not allowed to download stuff or whatever. So I have also seen this method where you can use some fonts that have already been imported, so you don't A, get in trouble, and B, you don't have to download anything. So the first thing you want to do is go onto Scratch and upload or open Font God's profile. Just search up Font God. I will also have his profile linked in the description. So we want to go there, click on view all of his projects, and then choose a font that you like. So I'm going to go with Century Gothic because it's a pretty cool font. So when you open the font, you want to see inside. It's loading the project, and then there will be a sprite that says Century Gothic. And I don't know why this costume is called Code Pro, but it does. So now we have this entire thing of like letters and symbols and pretty much everything that you would need. So what you want to do is open up your backpack. All of these things are just from my logo contest that I ended, or that I just had. So you want to drag this costume into your backpack. You want to close your backpack. Then you want to open a new project, so which I already have open. So you want to close this tab. You can close it, it's not important. And you can refresh this page. I'm gonna reload it because I don't have any changes that need to be saved. So the project's loading again. Alright, so now what you want to do is open up your backpack and drag in your costume. So, close. No, I don't want this open. Alright, anyway, I'm going to just drag this up here so that it is visible. And you can see like all the fonts and stuff, because fonts are fun. Alright, so I'm going to go into the costume and delete this and these words. And now I have a bunch of symbols. So I'm just going to try to write out something simple. Like, I'll just go with happy. That was really random, but I'm just going to write happy. You wanna, if it, like you can't click on it, then you wanna zoom in with this little zoom button and click. Oh, this is all grouped. Sweet. Alright, so then you wanna ungroup it. And then you wanna get the letters. I'll just say H. And then A. This is a little bit of a tedious process and it takes a while, but I mean it's the best thing that you can do if you don't have, like, if you're not allowed to import your own fonts. So alright, let's say this is the reason I chose this word, happy. There's two P's, but it only comes with one. So like, what are you gonna do then? All you need to do is click this little stamp icon in the corner, and then just duplicate this so that you can just, you know, have two letters instead of just one. You can do this with any letter, and this is great because then you don't have to end up like opening up the sprite again just to get one letter. So now I have this written out, and I'm going to delete all of this stuff. It's unnecessary. Now I can group this and enlarge it, and now it looks cool. It's just big and it says happy. So also you can also color this whatever color you want. I'll just go with this one, but you have to, oh wait, no, it makes it bolded if you color it. Aw, that's sad, but I mean it looks cool. So you can't really color it, but you can make it bold. And you could just use this method for any projects that you want also, but it just takes a little time to rearrange the letters in the way that you want. Like, this is still a little crooked, but I mean, it's the second best thing. So that's pretty much it. It's not that difficult. Then you can just share your project. I'm not going to do that now because it's not really like a project. But that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys could follow along with what I was trying to say. But yeah, this is just another way that you can get fonts into your Scratch projects and, like, you know, just dress it up a bit. So be sure to check out all of my links. I will link them down below. You know how it goes. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.